Hi everyone, let's take a look on what we are going to create. You see the aroma effect is nice, so let's start to create that. This is the real one and this is the replica of that. So let's start. The first thing is that we need this picture as a background. We add it and apply it to all. Then this aroma text, how we create that? We insert a text box and in the text box we write Rome, and just simply increase its size to 400, I think, or 350 is going to be nice. Let me increase the space. Okay, it's want to be bigger, but for that we need to change the font to be impact. Then 390. Then align it center and align it middle. Now we format this thing to open this type and go to text no fill, just solid outline, white and big outline. You see, the thing is that. Now, how to create these things is the real part of this video. In the new slide, we just insert a text box and write THE in that, then use Overdrive Sunset as a font, increase its size to 300, then create a lot of copy of that to look like something this, press Ctrl A, make them onion, then it's done. 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here. We need to recolor them. Let's go with this color, and this color. Then we select all 3 of them, send them to back, and reduce the transparency a little. Now select this slide, then bring this out, and out. Then set the transition to morph and the fade is done. Let's take a look. You see, it's pretty nice. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.